maitake, cantarelle grise, trompet la mort, pied de mouton, eryngii.
It's grown locally?
Ja, ja. Truffles,
Boletus.
boletus, ja. Eekhoorntjesbrood, lobster, koraalzwam,
The coral mushrooms, yeah?
ja. Golden enoki, chestnut, white enoki, white beech mushrooms, giant shiitakes. And we have also the small variant, and then the middle also. Eryngii, we have them also in very large, middle, and small. Kijk, here we have maitake.
Maitake, oh.
It's growing. A little bit too cold here it doesn't grow too fast. With maitake you need to be patient. Here we have the enoki, about 25. We are selling, and I'm growing 9. It's growing every year, but it's a very difficult playing field. It's not easy because you have the ups and downs. You have people who are coming into the market. You have a lot of mushroom growers in Holland who want to do something else. So we get new players. The market must be verdeeld worden. Divided again. So it's not easy. Yeah, easy. When you know how to do it and you have the equipment, it's not very difficult. No. I think the difficult mushroom to grow is the agaricus. You have to watch on it every day. Yeah. This is easier.
Okay, your equipment looks quite simple.
Yeah.
And you have it one.
When you have the equipment for oyster mushroom, it must be very good, and for agaricus it must be super. Yeah, agaricus you need a computer and you need everything was optimal, and that is for exotics is not quite necessary.
So we are now focusing on integrating 2 facilities into one. The old facility where it started all 20 years ago, we're now moving to the new facility close by in Herenwade, and then we can focus on only 1 facility instead of 2, which has a lot of efficiency. And there we can do multiple tests with recipes, new products. The old mixers will be used as a R&D, so research and development for optimizing substrate and adding new varieties. And the new mixers are almost fully up and running with a low level of contamination, where we had some issues in the beginning when we started there 2 years ago. That's why when there was not enough substrate on the market. But we've solved that now almost completely, and the substrate balance is back again, is on a good level. But in the end, the most important thing is not volume, it is quality. We as a substrate producer, together with our clients, with the growers, have to make sure that there is a stable supply of substrate, which produces week in, week out the same amount of mushrooms. With the system we use, 2 to 3%, we're now around 5%. So we have a few percent more to win, but we expect that 2-3% is achievable.
What they have done is to build a complete new factory on a new ID. And that's how to implement that and to make it working. It costs a lot of energy and a lot of money, but that was the problem, the main problem of CNC. They started a new factory with new machines, and on that getting to make it work, it's always very difficult. The most people think you buy a new machine
and it works as of tomorrow.
Yeah. But that's only the half of the investering, how do you call it?
Investment.
It's only half of the investment. You have to make the machine working. You have to need, your client. Shiitake is going well. Yeah, you're selling a lot of it. Eryngii is going well. But when you have a enoki or something else, it is a difficult mushroom to get into the supermarket. Pompon blanc, Erythium. It's a nice mushrooms, but that are not mushrooms are going great numbers. Because when they are laying in the supermarket, people are asking, oh, what's that? That's nice. How to cook with it? Do you know? No, I don't know. Oh, what's expensive. Koraalzwam, golden enoki, chestnut, white enoki, white beech, mushrooms, giant shiitakes,